Alright folks, today's a little out in the woods. We got a nice little log crossing here. It's off camber, so you gotta hit this thing square, but I think Brent's gonna cheat lift over. That off-angle log makes it real difficult, because if you hit it, it'll direct you, see, it'll take you right into the ditch. So Brent's lifting over. Chris says he's going to try it. Wave to the camera, Chris. Now the secret here, the way I did it, is I planted my front wheel right there on this one. Even though it's higher, you get a nice square shot at it.